Hello, my dear students. Today we will learn another topic of web applications, and that topic is instant messaging and chatting with Google Talk. Okay, most of the things of today's topic we are aware, we are using in our day-to-day life, but still let's start. First of all, the question arises, what is instant messaging? In short form, it is also called IM. Instant messaging is sending any message through online way to a person who is connected with us and that person is already online. For example, आजकल हम सबसे ज़्यादा यूज़ कर रहे हैं, that is WhatsApp. If two persons are online and they are in contact with each other, they can do a real time chatting. Okay, real time chatting means like we are talking live. Instantly I'll send a message and immediately I'll got a reply, but the condition is that both the contacts must be at online. Okay, this IM requires both the senders and receivers online at the same time. If I am online and the person to whom I am sending the message, he or she is not online, then only I can send message. It is not to be delivered. Okay, and if receiving is not done, then that's not a communication. Got it? IM can be sent to single contact or to a group. This thing already we all are aware that in WhatsApp group to a single contact also we can chat and to a group also we can message. Next is modern day messaging offers. Means in today's trend, what a simple messaging app offers to a user. Number one, we can send or receive any of the message instantly. Fine. We can send and receive any of the document. We can share any of the media. In media, what's there? Any voice note, any photograph, any video. Okay, we can make audio calls, we can make video calls. In today's trend, almost one or the another chat app provides all these facilities. Now let's discuss what is the advantage of IM and what is the disadvantage. IM means what? Instant messaging apps, whatever we are using in these days. So many options we have in these days for chatting. What disadvantages and what advantages we have? In advantages, it's instant. Means instantly, suppose at the same moment I want to deliver any message to other person, then through this IM process we can send any of the message instantly. But disadvantage क्या है? If the person is not online, चाहे मैं कितने message भेज लूँ, that will not be seen by the other person. Okay, it's great for quick messages, this is the advantage, but large messages or large documents that can't be sent. For example, WhatsApp में आप 16 MB से ज़्यादा की फाइल नहीं भेज सकते, मेल में आप 25 MB से ज़्यादा बड़ी फाइल नहीं भेज सकते. Got it? So these are disadvantages. Then compared to email, it's easier to carry out a conversation. In chatting apps like WhatsApp, Facebook chat, whatever the chatting app is there, it's very easy to carry on the chat. Means, and in disadvantages, it's not convenient for lengthy and complicated messages. Means कोई officially हमें कोई लंबा message frame करना है, then these chat apps are not appropriate or not as convenient to handle as like mails. You can stay logged in while doing other tasks. Means in WhatsApp हमारे फ़ोन में हम 24/7 we are logged in. ऐसा तो नहीं है हम log out हो जाते हैं, दोबारा मैसेज भेजना हो तो अगेन वी लॉग इन. मीन्स फॉर ऑलवेज वी कैन स्टे लॉग्ड इन एंड side by side other tasks can be carried on, but responses is not always instantaneous. Okay, means this is the disadvantage. जब तक हम उस ऐप में नहीं जाएंगे will not got to know the मैसेज का रिप्लाई जवाब देने के लिए we have to got into the app. Then last advantage is you get instant response of your message. And what is the disadvantage? Sometimes we do quick typing lots of abbreviations, emojis, लेकिन ये these are in trends. But if a person is new at these chats, तो कई बार emojis का meaning समझ नहीं आता, abbreviations are not clear, तो it's become very difficult to understand the message. Fine. So these can be the advantages and these can be the disadvantages of instant messaging apps. Next is instant messaging versus chat. What is the difference between the two? हम generally दोनों को same ही मानते हैं, that instant messaging means chatting, but it's not same. A similar online message sending service is also known as chat. Similar online sending message है, but यही IM है. Then what's the difference? The difference between chat and IM is that IM can take place only with contacts and connections. Means instant messaging is that messaging which we are doing with our contacts or connections only. WhatsApp में अगर मेरे फ़ोन में कॉन्टैक्ट सेव्ड है और आई एम इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद दैट पर्सन, ओनली देन आई कैन चैट. फाइन. Whereas chat, it can take place with any of the unknown person. Suppose किसी website पे I am searching for a printer to purchase. Okay, तो on the website there is an option of chatting, chat to our sales executive. So I don't know that person, I am not in contact with that person, but even then I am chatting with him. So that is chat. Clear? Next is now some common IM services. IM means instant messaging. It must be known to you. These services are of two types. Some are application based and some are web based. नाम पढ़ के क्लियर हो जाना चाहिए. एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड मीन्स दो सर्विसेज विच वी कैन अवेल थ्रू द एप्स. मोबाइल में आप व्हाट्सएप की ऐप है, फेसबुक की ऐप है, स्काइप की ऐप है, so many apps are there. So means those services which we can avail through the apps, or that is called application based. But those services for using whom we have to go to web, means through web browser we have to go use internet. Those services are web based. These are the services which are generally used. First is Google Hangout. Google Hangout is talking using the Google account. This allows to chat from desktop, from laptop, from computer. We can make video calls, we can do group chatting. Okay, any Gmail user can do Google Hangout. This one we'll learn in today's session also. Next is Facebook Messenger. हम सब यूज करते हैं इसको. In Facebook app, a separate Facebook Messenger app is also there. It is also an IM application. Through this we can do video call, we can do single chatting, we can do group chatting to our FB friends only, to not to an unknown person. Okay, next is Skype. It can, इसकी speciality क्या है? It can translate messages, it can be used for video calls, voice calls. Fine. All these three, Google, Facebook, Skype, fine, these all three are application based as well as web based. तीनों की ऐप भी available है and all three can be used through the web browser also. Now next is WhatsApp. It's the mostly used app in modern age. Fine. It is 99% it is used through the app. It is application based. But nowadays it is also started using through the web based applications. Okay, web.whatsapp.com सुना होगा. Fine. Next ये और है Telegram. App is available for this. Pidgin, Adium is only for iPhones. These are also few examples of IM. At least हमें नाम पता होने चाहिए. All these four तो I think we all have used. Okay. Next is instant messaging with Google account or Google Hangouts. Okay, through Google Hangouts how we can do instant messaging. Google Hangout is a unified service that allows you to send and receive instant messages, audio calls, video calls and many more. Means those users who have Gmail ID, okay, they can use Google Hangouts for chatting, messaging to a group, to a single person, but that person must be in the contact also. Okay, there are two ways to access Google Hangouts. That one is through web, means using the web browser, and another is through the app with Google Hangouts mobile app. First is using Google Hangout on web, means browser पे कैसे use करते हैं. There are again two methods. First is with Gmail window. Okay, in Gmail window you get Hangout integrated within it, means when you open your Gmail account, by default in your Gmail window, at the bottom left corner the Hangout app is located. वहाँ chat लिखा होता है. Okay, but the condition is इसके लिए you have to log in, you have to sign into your Gmail account. Let me show you. I am opening my Gmail account. Okay, it's my Gmail account. और आपको दिखाने के लिए मैंने साइड में एक और Gmail account किसी और का खोला हुआ है. Fine. Here in this you can see this is the chat option. Got it? This is chat. And this is plus sign new conversation, means to a new contact. If you want to do chatting, click on this. You must be knowing the email ID. अगर मेरे contact में है तो I must know the email ID of that person. So you can type the email ID of that person. Suppose here I am typing the email ID and suggestions are here. Click on that. Here you will see at this hand, means right now till now we have not done any conversation. तो first of all invitation भेजना पड़ेगा. भाई I am inviting you for chatting. तो click on this. It will show invitation sent. Okay, and when this person will see my invitation and accept, then we can start chatting. Okay, अभी आपको दिखाने के लिए I am crossing it to show you here to this contact I have sent the invitation. Okay, and this same email ID I have opened here. You can see after sending email here a notification is given that Rekha Sharma sent a message. I'll click on it. Now here you can see अभी अगले person की it's his wish. अगर आपने नहीं बात करनी you can ignore, and if you want to chat you can accept. Okay, accepted. Now वापस मैं अपने email account पे जा रही हूँ. Here suppose I am typing hello. Done. Now दूसरे अकाउंट में जाके देखते हैं. You can see chatting is done. यहाँ से भी आया. Hey. Done. Let's see I have received or not. Yes, I have received. This is how I am showing you both ways. This is sender, this is receiver. दोनों के बीच में how the chatting is going on. I think it's clear. In this way we can chat. And here you can see if you click here, here you can also chat by creating a new group. Click on this and you can add as many members you want in the group and you can carry on chatting का यही तरीका है. Okay, got it? Now let's move to next. This is how you can chat in Google Windows, Gmail window. Clear? Now next is from web browser. This link is given. This link needs to be open. Right now I am copying this link. Okay, and this link I'll open. First sign into Gmail if not done. सबसे पहले ये link खोलने के लिए भी we have to sign in into Gmail, then this link will work. Okay, let's move to this link. Again I am going to this and here. अगर नहीं भी आपको पता है तो you can type here Google Hangouts. Okay, I clicked Google Hangouts. पहला ही link खुल रहा है. The same link जो मैंने आपको PPT में दिखाया है. The same link you can see here. Okay, look here. Same link is here. Hangouts.google.com. This window will open. Let's start. Now it's guiding that what to do, what not to do. Just clicking because I am opening it for the first time. Done. Now these are the invitations already I have sent. If you want to start a new conversation, you can write here and you can see this message before in front of you. I have done this conversation. Okay, you can also do a phone call through this. You can message from here. लेट्स डू द मैसेज. किसको मैसेज कर रहे हैं? ये ईमेल आईडी आई एम टाइपिंग हेयर, दिस ईमेल आईडी. ओके, हेयर सेम विंडो खुल गई है. लेट्स कॉल. चैटिंग दोबारा दिखाने की जरूरत नहीं है ना. लेट्स डू वीडियो कॉल. ओके, in during video call it may happen that another person must be available now with camera and with iPhone, that's why it's not available. Okay, means we can call, we can message, audio call, video call, everything is available here. I think all things are clear to you. Okay, using web browser it's clear. For instant messaging, click on messages, click on contact name from left and you can send messages. All these things I have shown to you. This is from the left side. From here we can contacts we can check, phone calls we can do, और shortcut हमें सामने दिख रहा है, why to go here, everything is available here. Clear? चलिए, let's get back to our concepts. Now, some rules and etiquettes while chatting. Etiquettes while working on net. It's a new term. Fine, so you should know what is netiquettes. The etiquettes used while working on net means some sort of rules should be followed while chatting. So first rule is use short messages. We should never chat while typing long messages. इतने हम लंबा मैसेज टाइप करेंगे इतने अगला बंदा ऑनलाइन से चला जाएगा. Fine. Means in short messages the chatting should be carried on. Number 2, don't use all caps. Means upper case capital letters में ज़्यादा chatting नहीं करनी चाहिए. Okay, like typing your message in upper case is like shouting on the internet and very aggressive. It is supposed that we are highlighting something. Fine, it's shouting like something. So in generally it means all letters must not be written in caps. Fine. Third is give people time to respond. ऐसा ना हो मैं मैसेज धड़ाधड़ भेजे जा रही हूँ and from another person we are not allowing him to respond. At least wait for the response of another person. Be polite while online. If you are chatting with your friend, don't ask multiple questions in short time. Let him or her आंसर का वेट करें. ओके, कहते हैं ना बी अ गुड लिसनर, तो यहाँ वो रूल अप्लाई होता है. रिस्पेक्ट अदर्स वाइल चैटिंग. गिव द पर्सन यू आर कम्युनिकेटिंग विद योर अनडिवाइडेड अटेंशन. इट शुड नॉट हैपन कि वी आर डूइंग अ चैटिंग एंड साइड बाय साइड वी आर डूइंग समथिंग एल्स. तो प्रॉपर अटेंशन विल नॉट बी गिवन टू चैटिंग. And obviously through our messages we got to know that I am indulged in proper chatting or not. So respect should be given in chatting. Fine, so that the other person should not think that I am not provided any type of attention. Last is properly ending a conversation. It's very important to end a conversation while chatting. Regards, thank you, bye, see you soon, whatever you want to say, means it must be ended in a proper way. After that, chatting via other ways. Now Google Hangouts we have learned that how to use, but chatting on Gmail, this is how what we have done through Google Hangouts. You can also use the Google account for chatting. After signing into account, a contact window be displayed at left side. All these things we have done. Fine. Now here chatting on Yahoo means in same way if anyone have any account on Yahoo Mail, then Yahoo Messenger app is there. It's an instant messaging app which is great for keeping in touch with friend and family. Means chatting is the best way. हम हर किसी से जाके नहीं मिल सकते, but through messages we can keep in touch. So Yahoo Messenger also allows us to send messages, audio calls, video calls, and this is the link given through which we can download the Yahoo Messenger. But again the condition is same. For using the Yahoo Messenger you must have an account on Yahoo Mail. Got it? That's it for now. Try Google Hangout. See you soon. Okay, bye.